So take that for what you will. But both the Bible and the book of Enoch have all of these mysterious verses that say things about these celestial objects being in these domains, and that these certain objects, the rebellious angels, that they left their domain. It'll say that again and again, that they left their appointed domain, or they came out of their portal before their appointed time, and things like that, which sure make a lot more sense if you go with a geocentric model, and that all of the stars are out here in between, in between these layers, in between these veils, in between these, whatever your firmaments, domes, whatever you want to call them. It's this. It's this. Essentially an enormous atom, and the electrons or the stars or what we call planets, or all of it. It's all electrons in these different rings. So it basically looks like this. It's just an atom. Get it? Atom, atom. I tend to believe Enoch's account that there are probably 7 dimensions. Seventh heaven, that's where we get that. But there are 7 dimensions, or what they call the 7 rings of the electron. So no matter how big you go or how small you go, it's the same structure. Now, of course, we don't always perceive the 7 rings or electron shells, because not every ring has electrons in it, depending on what element it is on the periodic table. Something with 2 electrons isn't obviously going to have enough electrons to have a presence in every single dimension or every single electron ring. But either way, we know that these orbs, whether you perceive them as waves or particles, we know that they are around in these rings of dimensions, or these electron rings around the nucleus in every single bit of matter. And that's why alchemy is real, because if you move, all you have to do is change the frequency in one of these and make it jump up here to another dimension, and it changes the atom. It changes what it is. And that's what they're talking about in alchemy. Can you turn lead to gold and stuff like that? And clearly the ancients understood the quantum leap and how easy it was to produce gold, because everything was gold plated. Everything was made of gold, and all of the artifacts we recover from all of these different ancient civilizations, there was a ton of gold.